Hey guys, so today we're going to be installing OEM Subaru WeatherShields on an SJ Forester. So what we're going to start with is put your windows down on each side, on both sides, and we're going to start with in the back here. We're going to start putting on the back of the stripping inside the door mouldings. So we're going to pull them down like that, go very slowly so you don't rip or tug on them. You're going to pull them as wiping back those door mouldings, I guess you can call it. Recommend Phillips too. Down here where there's this little clip, we're gonna pull out the first screw. It should come out like that. Just so it has a hole in it, so you can put the screw in, and then you're gonna get your screw and screw it in as so. Like that, make sure it's nice and tight. Just pull about that. Try clip it in as like that. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna line it up. Making sure it's nice with the body line. Putting it on, holding it for a second, and slowly pulling back ever so slightly everywhere. Nice. Like stick to the actual car. Have your clips. So what you do with the clips is, so just grab it, find where your next one is, and then put it to the position, like up there. Get you one that you dropped. Find it, which I'll find in a minute. So we're going to get the other few slots, and they just clip in nicely. If you hear that nice click, normally it's in. And then we're going to find the last rear one, which is next to the Subaru logo, and then just make sure it's all nice and tight by pushing on it. Next part is to start putting back in your mouldings, door mouldings. So you just push them slightly back into the car, and then just start pushing them back into its home. Jesus Christ. Okay, and then we're going to go to the front one, slowly start pushing it all in. I felt like the front is easier to start to put in. So
yeah, push it on an angle, and then you can pull it back towards you.
Yeah. There we go. That's how you put in your weather shields. You're all good to go.